Welcome to Rains and Max.
Hey you guys, welcome to Rains and Max again. We're gonna build this new treehouse I just bought. So we're just gonna give it to her. So yeah, let's get to it. Whoa. Okay, so I mostly have $1 now. And here is the kitchen area, the living room, and so over here is where you eat. And then when you go inside, here's the washroom. You get to see outside. Okay, I'm gonna change the walls really soon. Here's the bedroom, their baby girl's room, just saying. Here's the sand pit. I love a sand pit. Here's like a little shelf. Here's my bed, and that's the boys' bed. Let's go to the, whoa, oh my gosh, there's even more. So, right over here, I have some pets I'm gonna unhatch for you guys. So, see you soon. Guys, it's a puma. Thank you, and subscribe.
Rains and Max.